Uh, to create a port forwarding for the NAT network, go to your VM, go to your VirtualBox, and then go to File, Preferences, go to Network, and then select the network you have created and click the Edit. Then go to Port Forwarding. And now you have to create two forwardings. For the first one, you click on here and then set the host port to be equals to 8000 and then set the guest IP to the PLC VM IP. So the PLC IP is 10.0.2.15 and then set the guest port to 8080. Then click OK. Then click no, actually you need to go back and create another one. Sorry about that. And then the host port will be 9000. Then here will be 10.0.2. This should be your HMI IP address, which is in my case is .4 and then 9090. Okay, so then you just click OK, then OK, and then OK, and that's all you have to do for this step.